all you gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ansela. Since Diwali is round the corner, it's one of India's biggest main festival. It's all about lights, greeting each other by exchanging sweets and gifts. It's a day of worship for wealth and wisdom. Victory of lights over darkness, victory of good over evil. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And click the bell icon to get notifications on my new video. So let's get decked up. I have volumized my hair with some soft curls. I'm using Votre Face Serum. This aqua-rich revitalizing serum is enriched with virgin cold-pressed oils, herbal blends and innovative molecules. It helps to brighten the complexion and reduces fine lines. For my foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild Beige Bronze shade. It's a beautiful flowy foundation. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it out. And you can see, oh wow, it's really blending so well. I can feel the foundation seeping into my skin. To contour my face, I'm using Makeup Studio palette, brown shade, which is 2 shades darker to my skin tone. I'm contouring my forehead, my cheekbones, jawline, my nose, and I'm blending it out well. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Beige. It is 2 shades lighter to my skin tone. This concealer enhances and highlights the face and gives a very natural look. I'm blending it with a beauty blender. I'm using MAC Compact Powder onto the areas where I have used concealer so that it doesn't crease. To lock my makeup, I'm using MAC Fixing Spray. And now for my brows, I'm using my spoolie to brush it downwards and filling in the sparse areas with an angled brush. For my eye makeup, I'm using Huda Beauty Nude palette in the color Crave. Using it as my transitional shade, and I'm blending the color little by little so that makes blending easy. For my eyelids, I'm using shade Tickle, and since it's festive, I decided to add glitter from MAC in the color Gold. I'm blending both the eyeshadow and the glitter little by little until I feel I have deposited a good amount of color to my lids. To smoke this look out, I'm using a black pencil and with my pen brush blending my black eyeshadow on my upper lash line, buffing it well. It's very easy and a quick look. You don't need to worry on creating those perfect lines. All you can do is smoke out this look and you're good to go. For my lashes, I'm using MAC mascara. I have long lashes, so I decided I wanted to enhance them. I have double coated my lashes using a wiggle and pull technique. And you see how enhanced the original lashes look? To add my blush, I'm using Swiss Beauty. It's pinkish in color and has a lovely sheen tint to it. Blend it well. To highlighten my cheekbones, I'm using this beautiful Swiss Beauty highlighter. It's highly pigmented and looks beautiful on the skin. And for my lips, I'm using Maybelline Thriller Nude lipstick in the number 888. And now, to add that festive shine, I'm using Victoria's Secret Satin Gloss.